I am Shawn, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. As a homeowner, there are things you should do each month around your house for maintenance to make sure your house stays in top condition. So, here are the 8 things for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for January. 1. Inspect and replace weather stripping on doors and windows to reduce drafts. 2. Check attic insulation to ensure it's adequate for winter temperatures. 3. Test and replace batteries in smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. 4. Clean and inspect the furnace or HVAC filters. 5. Organize and declutter storage areas like basements and garages. 6. Inspect pipes for potential freezing issues and install insulation if necessary. 7. Test GFCI outlets in kitchens and bathrooms. 8. Clean and lubricate door hinges to prevent squeaks and wear.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.